today I'll talk about how to prevent body pain while cycling. Also at the end of the video, I'll share you small but effective tip to avoid direct strain on our body. So watch this video till the end to get complete info. Coming up. What's up guys, this is Rado Charol. Welcome to my channel. Hope you start thinking towards your health and environment. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribe. So let's jump into the video. Guys, whenever we start cycling, we usually begin to feel pain in 6 parts of the body, and those are neck, shoulder, back, hand, hips and knee. But it doesn't mean we should stop cycling. We should do cycling daily, as all we know the benefit of the same. So riding in a correct way will help us to prevent these type of pain. So let's talk about the body parts. First of all, we have to check that our bike saddle should be straight forward, because as much as the saddle tilted forward, we will feel pressure on the neck and shoulder. So often you should check the saddle position while cycling. Whether you are having an MTB or a road bike, we also have to keep in mind that we should not grip the handlebar too tightly, because through vibration we will feel the pain on neck and shoulder. So do cycling with comfortable grip. Also, not lock your elbow while cycling, because of this we will feel more pressure of vibration on neck and shoulder. Also, not lock your shoulder while cycling. Majority of people ride cycling by locking their shoulder. So the best way is to ride cycle by releasing the shoulder, because this will reduce the direct pressure of vibration to neck and shoulder. So always ride cycle with slightly bent elbow and release shoulder to their normal position. Due to this, our body will work as a natural suspension and will help you to prevent from neck and shoulder pain. Optionally, you can wear cycle gloves and use double handlebar tape if you are having a road bike, as this gives you extra cushioning to prevent from vibration. So during pain, do some neck and shoulder exercise like shoulder shrug. In this, you have to just pull your shoulder up and then stretch to the backward. Hold this for 5 seconds and then release it. Do this for 5 times. And for neck exercise, down your neck as much as possible and hold for at least 5 seconds. And then back to the normal position. So do this exercise at least 5 times while cycling, as this will help you to release the pain. Again, keep your bike saddle straight forward to prevent lower back pain. Do some core exercise on daily basis, as this will release some pressure from your lower back while cycling because of strong core muscles. So in next video, I'll show you what are the core exercise you can do on daily basis. Do sprinting on regular interval, because not only this will make your back straight but help you to release the pain by constant sitting position while cycling. Always remember that we should do cycling with light and comfortable grip, and as required we should change the grip on the handlebar on regular interval to prevent numbness. Use gel saddle cover, as this will provide you more cushioning while sitting on the saddle during ride. There are lots of sizes comes in the saddle, so choose the best one accordingly. Just check these by sitting on them, and if you feel comfortable on one of them, then go for it. If you often struggling with pain, then ride cycle with cycling shorts, as these comes with extra padding which will provide you more cushioning while cycling. Also, these are made up of quick dry fabric, which will help you to evaporate the sweat quickly and reduce the friction on delicate areas. Knee pain is totally depend as how much saddle height you have set. It should not be too high or too low. You have to set your saddle in such a way that while sitting on a bike, your legs should be almost straight forward at bottom of the pedal stroke. Also, if you want to reduce the pressure on knee, then you should increase the cadence, because paddling with high cadence brings less force to the pedal, and by getting less force to the pedal, then you will feel less strain to your knees. As prevention is better than cure, so once you start feeling pain, then use your bike gear accordingly. And now the time for small tip. Instead of sitting with tight grip on handlebar, whenever you get any potholes or speed breaker in your ride, then try to cross them by rising above the seat, because this practice will help you to avoid direct strain on your body. So guys, now you got to know how to prevent body pain while cycling. And because of these techniques, we cyclists do cycling without getting any serious pain. So I hope you like this video. Do comment if you have any query, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So that's it for now guys. This is Rider Charles signing off.